Hi, Vencore weather meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, September 16th. A band of showers moved through the Philadelphia metropolitan region earlier this morning. The back edge of those showers is just on the western doorstep of the New York City metro region. New York City will be rain-free by the latter part of the morning. All areas up and down the I-95 corridor from D.C. to New York City should feature plenty of sunshine this afternoon with cool and dry conditions. High pressure over the middle part of the country will extend itself into the northeast quadrant and control the weather Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, right into the upcoming weekend. Basically a cool and dry week coming for the Mid-Atlantic I-95 corridor. Now here's the latest radar loop from the Penstead EWAL site, and you can see the back edge right now just to the west of the New York City region as we get to the last frame or two here, right here. Back edge just now working through New York City, Philly, D.C. in the clear already. Rain-free in Philly and D.C. for the rest of today. New York City shortly will be rain-free, and then plenty of sunshine up and down the I-95 corridor for the remainder of the day with cool and pleasant humidity levels for this time of the year. Well, here's the latest U.S. surface map, and indeed there's a weak cool frontal system working its way through the I-95 corridor right now, the Mid-Atlantic region. The back edge of those showers, New York City right now, Philly and D.C. in the clear already. The big picture here, this high pressure system, a very strong and large high pressure system centered right now over the middle part of the nation, but it extends all the way to the northeastern quadrant over the next day or two and will control the weather over a huge chunk of the nation for the remainder of the work week. Well, here's the latest infrared satellite imagery loop from the Wisconsin SSEC website. A couple of tropical areas of interest. Right here on the very eastern edge, you can see the eye associated with Hurricane Edouard. It's a Category 2 storm, poses no threat to land, moving right now a little bit north and west, but will turn to the north and then the northeast over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. Could actually make it all the way to major hurricane status. It's Category 3, but again, poses no threat to land right in the middle part of the Atlantic and turning away from the U.S. East Coast. Meanwhile, out in the Baja region of California, here are the remains of what was Hurricane Odile. It looks like it will spread heavy rainfall into Arizona and New Mexico over the next few days. Several inches of rain, especially in the southern portions of Arizona and New Mexico, could occur by the end of the work week. This is quite an active pattern here in terms of tropical activity in the eastern Pacific. Another storm called Polo will likely form over the next day or two, and that too could spread some heavy rain into the southwestern part of the U.S. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps for the next few days. We'll look at tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning, then Thursday morning, and Friday morning. The main story here is high pressure controls the weather seen in the northeastern part of the country. Here's the high sitting right on top of the northeastern part of the country come tomorrow morning. We'll have some cool nights and some pleasant days over the next few days, and temperatures could actually drop to the upper 40s over the next couple of nights in some of the suburbs of the big cities along the I-95 corridor. Again, thanks in large part to the strong high pressure system. Let's now jump ahead to Thursday morning. Well, by Thursday morning, that high tends to reform over the Great Lakes, but again, still in complete control of the weather in the Mid-Atlantic region. And this pattern continues right into Friday and really into the upcoming weekend. Let's now take a look at the Friday morning forecast map. And here it is again, that strong high pressure system in complete control. This is Friday morning's forecast map. Again, a cool air mass here. This is probably the coolest day of the next few. Will actually turn out to be Friday as a reinforcing shot of cool air comes in with this strong high pressure system. But again, high pressure will be the main weather story for the rest of the week in the northeastern part of the country. Well, that's it for now. For the VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.